if you want to sign out of all devices on Amazon Prime Video. The process is very simple and only takes a few steps. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone. Once the app opens, go to your profile section. This is usually where you see your profile picture or account icon. Tap on it to open your account options. Next, look for the settings option and tap on it. Inside the settings menu, find the section called Devices or Registered Devices. When you open this section, you will see a list of all the devices where your Prime Video account is currently signed in. This can include phones, tablets, smart TVs, or other streaming devices. Now, simply select the device you want to remove. Then tap the option that says Deregister. When you tap Deregister, that device will automatically be signed out of your Prime Video account. You can repeat this step for any other devices you want to remove. This is useful if you logged in on another device, if someone else was using your account, or if you just want to secure your account. And that's it. That's how you can sign out of devices on Amazon Prime Video quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.